Hi guys, do you want to see the result of our last tutorials? So this is the result in the browser, guys. So in this way you can create amazing websites, amazing input forms. You can make a beautiful website in the way you want, the way you want to be your website looks, and so people they will come to your website, they know it is looks really website, right? So you giving the good site and in good input, and also good backgrounds, and then also the text be good. So it's meaning styling with the css, be master in css, be master in front end in html, so our in react. So you are going to be good software developer in front end, and then you will find a good job in software. So in this way you are going to make a beautiful website. And thank you, and then I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.